In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm at Walmart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Affirm at checkout in the Affirm app on your phone or on affirm.com from a computer so you can choose the path that fits your shopping style. First, a quick overview. Affirm lets you make a purchase and pay over time at partner stores, and Walmart is one of those partners. You can find participating stores inside the Affirm app or on affirm.com. No matter which route you choose, the flow is similar. Affirm verifies your phone number, helps you set up an account if you're new, and then shows you whether you're approved for the amount you want to spend. Keep your phone nearby for text verification, and make sure you have a stable internet connection so things go smoothly. Let's start with using Affirm directly at a partner store like Walmart. Add the items you want to your cart and head to checkout. When you see payment options, choose Affirm. You'll be asked for your mobile number and then to tap Continue. If it's your first time, you'll be guided to create an account. This is quick and just sets you up to manage your payments. Next, Affirm will text you a 6-digit one-time verification code. Enter that code to confirm it's you. From there, you'll see whether you're approved for your purchase, along with the available payment options and terms. Before you confirm, double-check your cart total so your plan matches what you intend to buy. If you prefer using your phone, you can do this in the Affirm app. Download the free app from the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Open it, enter your mobile phone number, and if you're new, create an account when prompted. Affirm will text you a 6-digit verification code. Enter it to continue. Tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need for your Walmart purchase. After that, you'll see whether you're approved and the payment options available. Tip: enter an amount that covers what you plan to spend so you have room for your checkout total. You can also use a computer at affirm.com. Sign in to your Affirm account or create one if you haven't yet. As before, Affirm will text you a 6-digit code to verify your login. Then tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need. You'll immediately see whether you're approved and the terms you can choose from. Keep your Walmart checkout open in another tab so you can apply your selection seamlessly. That's it. 3 easy ways to pay with Affirm at Walmart, start to finish.